YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and yes, as you can see, I'm just shooting y'all a short video. I made a big jump, guys. I went out and bought my first OnePlus device. This is by far not a new OnePlus device at all. This is actually the OnePlus 7 Pro. At first I thought it was the OnePlus 7T Pro, whatever, but it's just the OnePlus 7 Pro. And I heard a lot about this OnePlus 7 Pro from other YouTubers and other homeboys that I got that's really into tech. And I just wanted to check it out, guys, because a lot of people talk about the UI on OnePlus phones, and a lot of people said this was their favorite OnePlus phone. So this is by far no review. This is just me introducing it to the channel, but it is a couple things that I can talk about this phone already that I like or I dislike. And that being said, just my kind of like my first impressions, guys. It's a beautiful device, and shout out to, I got it from Amazon Renew. Shout out to Amazon Renew. As you can see, this thing is in perfect condition. This is in really good condition, guys. No scratches. I mean, you can see my fingerprints and things of that nature. But this device is in really great condition, guys. Got it off Amazon Renew, and I really thought that was dope. In really great condition. This is a T-Mobile OnePlus 7 Pro. I had it unlocked. It was well, I didn't have it unlocked. It was unlocked when I bought it, and I was able to put a Google Fi SIM card in here and use the Google Fi service on this device, guys. So I got it, and I pretty much got it set up. I haven't really got to use it like that. I just been like kind of busy or whatever. So, but the first thing I kind of notice is you get a lot of like false touches on the screen because it's a really curved phone. As you can see, even the light, this edge is kind of really steep and the screen rolls over. So you kind of get like you definitely get like a lot of false touches on here. I got some cases coming. I can't wait to put a case on this device, guys. I love the way the screen looks with no pinhole, no bezel, because this is the camera that pops out the top, of course, of the device, guys. I really like that. I think that's neat, and that's one of the reasons that I went back and picked up this device too, because I always wanted the phone that did that. Off the break, I can tell dealing with the device that it's pretty snappy. It's got a little bit about the phone, guys. As you can see, it's got a Snapdragon 855. It's got 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of memory on board. Now that's dope. Triple camera setup with the 48 pixel, 16 megapixel, 8 pixel, and you get a QHD display. You get a 2K display, guys, with 90 hertz refresh rate. So that was this phone is still really a heavy hitter. Like when I was sitting and I was on Amazon Renew, because I'm at a point right now where I'm looking for new tech, guys, but at the same time, so I'm kind of revisiting old tech. Like it's nothing new that I'm really ready to jump out there and spend $1,000 for. And so sometimes I will get on Swap, I'll get on Amazon, and I will invest in these devices, guys. And I love to get to know some of the devices that I never got a chance to use. And this is my first OnePlus phone. Like I said, first of all, it is definitely snappy. I love the screen, and I love the bezel of the screen because of the camera, the motorized camera, and the 90 hertz. But it's really curved, guys. As you can see, even this light reflecting, it kind of does this odd thing with light when you got light down on it, and you get a lot of false touches. So really, like I said, I'm really waiting on a case because I think that'll kind of clear that up for me a little bit. But yeah, it's a very snappy device, guys. I'm gonna try to get into the camera. So far, the cameras have kind of like lackluster for me on this thing, but as far as like performance, it seems pretty decent. As far as the screen, like when you're not under these lights and things, it looks really good. And I do like the curve, but it just creates those false touches. No headphone jack, just a Type-C, guys. Like I said, 250 gigabytes of RAM on board, and I paid $300 on Amazon Renew, guys, and it's really fresh It's a fresh unlocked device in immaculate condition. I mean, you see the fingerprint that I'm putting on this thing right now, but it is immaculate condition. And because of these curved screens and these curved edges, it kind of come to a point, so it's not as comfortable in your hand, guys. But it looks beautiful. I like the triple camera setup. I like the OnePlus branding on here. Really nice looking phone, guys. Really quality and real, just a premium looking phone. And this is the phone that everybody was like, yo, if you're gonna try a OnePlus phone or you're gonna pick up a used OnePlus phone, pick up the OnePlus 7 Pro. And so far, guys, it's been very interesting. I'm very excited about it, and I don't want to go too far on anything. I really want to get into this phone and bring y'all an in-depth review. But so far, the great experience with Amazon Renew. They sent me a great phone in great condition out. The speakers work well, everything works well, cameras are on, operating as they supposed to, no cracks and scratches. So I'm really ready to dig into this. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram BG_TechLife, and then you can also go follow me on Twitter, BG_TechLife, to catch up with some of the things that you might see in the background. But it's your man BG. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.